Welcome to Connektly Solutions. Let's walk through how to get started. First, visit our website and click on Get Started to proceed with the sign-up process. On the sign-up page, enter your full name, your business email address, and create a strong password. Then, click Create Account. Check your registered email inbox for a verification link. Make sure to check your spam folder just in case. Click Confirm your mail to activate your account. Once you are verified and logged in, choose the plan that best fits your needs to start your free trial and continue with the onboarding flow. Let's get to know your company. Enter your company name and website URL, then click Continue to Industry. Select the kind of business you are building so we can tailor your workspace. Now, set up your profile by entering your full name, your contact number, and your preferred billing currency. Once everything looks good, click Continue to WhatsApp Setup. And that's it. Your onboarding to the Connektly platform is complete. In the next part, we will cover connecting to WhatsApp.